Okay, y'all, in this video, we're going to talk about if statements. Now, if statements are a really important part of Python or any programming languages, and it's going to allow you to do different things based on sort of the input that you get, or to sort of make decisions about the program, based on any input or data that you need the computer to make a decision for you about. This is really helpful in repeated tasks and, getting a computer to do the work for you. So I'm also going to tell you, so let's say my name is James. I'm assigning my name to a variable, and now I'm going to say if the name is James. And an equals sign basically means is. So we're testing if the name variable equals James. So write the if statement, if name equals James, print hello James. Oops. I'm going to run this. Hello James. Great. Now what if the name is not James? What if the name is instead Scooby-Doo? Now, if the name is Scooby-Doo, we're going to print hello James. Nothing prints because the name is not Scooby-Doo. Name is assigned to James. Now, that's where else comes in. And we can write, if the name is Scooby-Doo, print hello there, friend. Else print you are not Scooby-Doo. Hit run. You are not Scooby-Doo. That's correct because the name is James. The name is not Scooby-Doo. Okay, now what happens if we want to see if the name is not Scooby-Doo? Then we can do exclamation equals. So now we're testing if name is not equal to Scooby-Doo. We're going to write hello there, friend who is not Scooby-Doo. Otherwise, that means the name is Scooby-Doo, right? So we can write you are Scooby-Doo. Name is James still. Hello there, friend who is not Scooby-Doo. If I change the name to Scooby-Doo, we get you are Scooby-Doo. So that is the else executing because the if statement, name is not equal to Scooby-Doo, is false. Now, we can also check to see if something is less than or greater. So let's say age equals 29. If the name of someone is, if the age of someone is less than 21, then we have to say you can't drink yet. Otherwise, their age is 21 or over, so we can write you can drink. Great. This is for the Americans out there. You can drink because my age is 29. And what if the age is over 21? Then I'm going to write you can drink. And then else you can't drink. So what happens if I run this? You can drink. That's because age is 29 and age is greater than 21. So that's what this character means. That's called a comparison operator. Other comparisons are less than or equal to. So let's say and greater than or equal to. So if age is, and this is the law, right? So if age is equal to or greater than 21, you can drink, run. But if age is less than or equal to 21, you cannot drink. What's it going to play? You can drink because it is, so let's change my age to 18. You cannot drink, and that's because 18 is less than or equal to 21. Now what happens if I write 21? You cannot drink, right? So those are the comparison operators. Now there's also one more part of the if statement, and that's elif or else if. So we're going to do if age is less than 21, you cannot drink. And else if age is, let's say, else if age is greater than 21, print you can drink. Right? So less than 21, you cannot drink. Greater than 21, you can drink. Else, that means what's left. The person is 21, so you can drink, but I have to check your ID first. And we're going to run this. The person's 21, so the else statement triggers. You can drink, but I have to check your ID. Now, let's change it back to 29. You can drink because 29 is greater than 21, and if I set my age as 18, you cannot drink because 18 is less than 21. So here we have an if statement, and we can also use else if or elif and else to trigger when there are any outside cases. So this is if statements and comparison operators in Python, and you can actually use an if without elif or else. You can use an if without elif, and you can use an if without else. So what happens if my age is 21? Nothing prints because we ask if age is less than 21, print this. Else if age is greater than 21, print this. But for 21, that's an outside case that we don't handle. It does nothing. So neither of these execute.